Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. See you again, brother. Good afternoon. Here we have a motherboard, the Toshiba Laptop motherboard with model TA2MB6GO revision G. DAOTA2MB6G0 Rev G. This is the Toshiba laptop motherboard with problem cannot turn on. No any LED indicator light on when we plug the charger. And here we have the current from my PSU. This is low current before turn it on. You can see my PSU here is 0.02 ampere with voltage 19 volt. Okay, this is, as you know, that this is not good condition. 0.0 ampere before turn it on with no any LED indicator light on. This means that here is in this motherboard there is the line there is a line or a component at the certain line that is working not on time. Okay, we must finding the line or the component that is working not on time. The first time is with this condition. You must know that the condition like this, usually the 19 volt in the normal condition, and then the 5 volt and 3 volt also in the normal condition. And then we need to check the load of the 5 volt or the 3 volt. Okay, I will show you. This is 19 volt. This is 19 volt, right? This is 5 volt, and this is 3.3 volt. This is the main voltage of this motherboard, and then we check the load of the 5 volt and 3 volt. Here is as the schematic of this motherboard. Let's see the schematic. Okay, here is the schematic of this motherboard. Okay, let's analyze beginning from the 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Okay, this is the circuit of the 3 volt and 5 volt. Okay, let's see the load of the 3 volt. Usually this 3 volt and 5 volt in the main line connected with the MOSFET that is working as the switch to enable and disable the VS line. VS line mean the line that working when we turn it on the motherboard. Okay, let's find this MOSFET. PVPG. Okay, you can see here this is PQ19 and PQ18. This is the MOSFET that connected directly with 3VPGU, the 3/4, the main 3/4, and this MOSFET working according to the S5D signal. The PQ18 working according to the main D signal. Alright, we must check the condition of the plus 3/4 line and plus 3V_S5 line. This is important that this voltage appear after the motherboard turned on. Also this voltage. Okay, let's find the PQ19 and PQ18. Okay, remove the charger first. Okay, this is the PQ19, the MOSFET, the N-channel MOSFET. And PQ18, where is the PQ18? Okay, this is small MOSFET, right? This is the PQ18 and this is the PQ19. This both MOSFET is N-channel, as we can see this on the schematic. Okay, this is the PQ18 N-channel MOSFET, and this is the PQ19 and channel MOSFET 2. Okay, let's check the voltage. Plug in the charger. .02 ampere. This is not good. PQ19, no voltage, right? This is the 3.34 PQ19 and this is 3.34 of PQ18, and plus 3V that produced by PQ18 is 3.34. PQ18 plus 3V_S5 1.1 volt before turned on. Okay, let's check the signal S5D on the gate of PQ19 3.34. This is not good. Okay, 3.34. And mine the signal pin number 3 of PQ18. no voltage. And the plus 3 volt is no voltage, 0.1, no voltage, right? Okay, I will explain you using the schematics. Okay, the condition of this motherboard is the 3 volt here in this line is in good condition. Also in this line, this is connected directly with code, with voltage code plus 3 VPCU. This is in the good condition. And then about PQ19, the voltage at this point is 1.1 volt. Before turn it on the motherboard, okay, this here is 1.1 volt, and the voltage at this point as 5D is 3.3 volt. Okay, and then the MOSFET with code PQ18 here is in the normal condition, and then the plus 3 volt is 0.1 volt. This is, I think, in the normal condition. We can assume that no voltage here, okay, and the voltage at this point, mine D, is 0 volt. Okay, this is good. The condition of the PQ18 is good, but the condition of PQ19 is not good, because in the normal condition, before we turn it on the motherboard, the voltage at this point is 0 volt or no voltage, as in this point. And the signal S5D here is 0 volt too, because this is the M channel MOSFET. If the voltage here about 5 volt or about this is 3 volt, right? 3 volt plus 2 volt, about 5 volt. If this point get the voltage about 5 volt or 6 volt or greater than the 6 volt, this will active, and this point must about 3 volt as this point, because this MOSFET is active. But the condition of this MOSFET is S5D get the voltage about 3.3 volt. I think this will not active, but here we can see the voltage 1.1 volt. Okay, here is the two abnormal condition. The point here is 3.3 volt. This is not good, and here 1.1 volt. This is not good too. Okay, let's finding the problem source one by one, beginning from the signal S5. Why the voltage here is a 3.3 volt? We can find this point S5D produced by other component. Okay, this is the circuit of the SD. Okay, this is 5SD produced by this circuit. Okay, you can see here We can see here this is 15 volt and this is the S5D signal. Okay, so the condition of this S5D is if the PQ10 active, so the voltage here is 0 volt because this connected directly to the ground. This means that this point 0 volt. Okay, and if PQ10 not active, so the voltage here is from this point. This is 15 volt. So the S5D must be 15 volt. But the real condition of this motherboard is S5D is 3.3 volt. What is the component that abnormal? Maybe the PL67 is not normal, or maybe PQ10 is not normal. So the next step is we must check the voltage at the point 2 of the PQ10. Finding the PQ10. PQ10 PQ10. Okay, this is the PQ10 pin number 1. Pin number 2. Let's check the voltage at the pin number 2 of PQ10. Plug the charger. Pin number 2 of PQ10. This is 1.2 volt. 1.2 volt. The PQ10 is the N channel MOSFET. This will active high. 1.2 volt will cannot activated this MOSFET. This must be higher than 2 volt. .2 volt. Why 1.2 volt? Okay. .2 volt here. This is from the inline 19 volt with this transistor voltage divider. To ensure this condition, let's check the PQ16. This is the transistor, NPN transistor. This is active. Okay, let's check the voltage at the pin number 2 of PQ16. Okay, this is the PQ16. Checking the voltage at pin number 2. Pin number 1 connected to the ground. Pin number 2 0 volt. Pin number 3 1.2 volt. Pin number 2 0 volt. 0 volt means if the pin number 2 of PQ16 is 0 volt, this will not active. So in this point must be this is V inline 19 volt, this is 1 mega ohm, so this is here is must be about 9.5 volt. Okay, this must here is must be 9.0 volt, the half of the V in 19 volt, because this is not active. Why this point only 1.2 volt? Here is 3.3 volt. Here is 1.2 volt. 1.2 volt cannot activate this MOSFET. Okay, let's check the resistance of the PQ10 pin number 2. Pin number 2. This is about 10 ohm. The pin number 3. I think the PQ10 is abnormal. Okay, let's try to replace this MOSFET. Okay, we have replaced the PQ10. Check again. And now 0 ampere. The PSU. Let's check the voltage here. Now, as you see, the pin number 2 of PQ10 is 7.8, 7.5, 7.4. Okay, let's check the voltage of the switch. This is 0. Check the voltage of the PQ19. PQ19 and 18. 3.2 volt, and the output of PQ19 is 0 volt. Alright, the gate of PQ19 this is 0 volt. Okay, I think this is in normal condition. This is 5 volt. Output of the PQ17 is 0. This is good. I think this is good. Pin number 2 of PQ10 is 7.5. Pin number 3 of PQ10. Pin number 3. This is 0 volt because the PQ10 is active. Why active? Because pin number 2 of the PQ10 is 7.3 volt. This will activate the PQ10. This is the N-channel MOSFET. Until here, the condition is normal. Okay, let's try to turn on. Oh, cannot turn on. Cannot turn on. Why? I don't know. I don't know why. So the condition now is the voltage at the power button is not appear. No 3.3 volt at this port, the push button port. So this motherboard still cannot turn on. Try one step again. If still cannot turn on, we try to flash the BIOS of this motherboard. Check the voltage of the pin number 2 of PQ10. This is 7.9, 7.8, and still no voltage at the power button. 6.9. Why 6.9 not 9.5? Okay, let's flashing this BIOS, the HC BIOS. Okay, we have flashed this BIOS, HC BIOS. Okay, let's try again. Plug in the charger. Checking the voltage of the power button, and you can see now here 3.24. I think this is normal. And let's try to turn on this motherboard. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Still cannot turn on. Check again. The voltage on the power button 3.2. Turn on. This is good, I think, but not working. Okay, flashing the main BIOS. Flashing the main BIOS. Alright. Fixing all the problems one by one. Okay, I have been flashing the main BIOS. I hope this will fix the problem of this motherboard, because the condition of the all voltage levels in the good condition. Okay, install again after flashing BIOS. Di alam surga. Alright, wait until the temperature get down. Still cannot turn it on. Okay, that you can see here, this is I touch my probe of the multitester to PQ16, the pin number 2. I have been detecting the signal with code S5_on. Okay, I have been detecting this signal when I turn it on this motherboard, and we get 3.3 volt here. Okay, I will show you. This is 0 volt, right? And when I turn it on, we have here 3.24. This must make the pin number 3 of PQ6 will 0 volt, and pin number 2 of PQ10 is 0 volt. PQ10 pin number 2, this is 0 volt, this is right, and the pin number 3 of PQ10 must be about 15 volt, pin number 3. Okay, this is 0 volt, this is not good. This is not good. Let's try to remove the power source and plug again. Okay, the pin number 3 of PQ10 is still 0 fault, and this is not good too. This is the pin number, this is the, now I have checked, I have been checking this point. This is 15 fault, 15 fault, and you can see here just about 6.2 fault. I think PQ10 still not working well. Replace again. Replace again with the other one of the N-channel MOSFET for PQ10. I take this from other motherboard. Okay, this is more perfect than before. Why I replace again this MOSFET PQ10? Because if the pin number 2 of PQ10 0 fault, because this is the N-channel MOSFET, so this will not active, and the point here will get the voltage as here. And we have checked this point, this about 6 volt, 6.8 volt, so this must be 6.8 volt too, but here is still 0 volt. Okay, wait until the temperature back to the normal condition, and then we check again. We must check again, and then we can try again to check the voltage at the pin number 3 of PQ10. Okay, let's try to check again. Checking the voltage of pin number 3 of PQ10. 0 volt. This is 15 volt, 6.2. Turn on. Okay, this is, oh, this is working now. You can see this.